What's up, you guys? In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can make $100 a day online with Google for free. Stay tuned. If you guys want more videos like this, smash that subscribers button, because in these videos I show you how you can start making money online and have financial freedom so you can go and travel all over the world and do whatever you want. But if you want to take a shortcut to success and start making money as soon as next week, click the link in the description where it's going to take you to a company that I'm with that's going to show you how you can start your own online business and use their funnels and emails, and everything is set up and done for you so you can just drive traffic and start making money. If you guys like that, click the link in the description. But by saying that, let's get on to the video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 a day or more from ClickBank products just using Google Alerts. So let's get into the video. Now, first step is to create a ClickBank account. Just click and create an account, and then you fill everything out. And there's this part that it starts questioning you, and for those questions you have to answer it like you have experience in promoting products and affiliate marketing. So once you answer those questions like you have experience, you're gonna get approved by ClickBank and you can start making money. Now let me log into my account. When you're logged into your account, you're gonna go to Marketplace, and once you're in the Marketplace, you're gonna select any of these niches, and there's a lot of products in each of those niches. So for today's video, we're gonna go into health and fitness, and when you get to the health and fitness or any niche you're gonna promote products in, you want to sort the results by gravity. Once you do that, it's gonna bring up the products that have been making the most money for the promoters and the affiliates. Now the gravity score is right here, and as you can see for the red detox, a lot of people are promoting this. 236 people have made money in the last week with this product. $24 per sale, or it can be more because they usually have upsells and everything in the back end, so you might make more than $24. For unlock your hip flexors, that's 158 people have made money with that in the last week. Fat discriminator system, 119 people have made money with that. Okay, now for this video we're gonna use red detox because a lot of people have made money with it. Now all you do is click promote, and then you're gonna, if you want to do a tracking link, you can put that. I'm not gonna put that, that's optional. You're gonna press create, and you're gonna get this ugly link. You're just gonna copy it, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a link shortener. My personal favorite is bit.ly. Just type in bit.ly.com and just sign up, and you can create your own shortened link. And the best thing is you can customize it. So just paste your URL, the long ugly URL, and then you're gonna get a shortened link which you can customize. So we're gonna put lose weight fast. Okay, and when people see this, they're gonna see like lose weight fast for the link, and they'll be curious. They will want to click it if they want to lose weight. So we're just gonna copy this, and now you're gonna ask me Okay, we did all this. How are you gonna promote the product and get traffic? Well, we're gonna go to weight loss blogs. So what blogs are just written essays on the web, and they talk about anything. What we're gonna go into is weight loss blogs. So you're gonna go into a blog, and we're gonna see which one's the best. Or you can choose any of the blogs. These are, it says 2018 best blogs weight loss. So we're just gonna go with the fitness. Okay, this one. We're gonna go into that, and then actually, guys, we're gonna go into detox blogs. Let's search that. T detox weight loss blogs blogs blogs, and it's gonna 5 detox recipes for weight loss. We're just gonna click on that, and this is for sure a blog. It gives some recipes about weight detox, and what you're looking for is you're gonna go all the way down and to see if there's any comments that people are making. You can see 5, 6 people commented. Yeah, 6 people commented. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna leave a comment, give value, share your opinion. Read the blog first so you'll have some ideas about what it is. Don't just write something to paste your link in there. Actually read the blog. I know it's hard, it's work, but if you want to make money, you have to do some work. So you're just gonna read the blog, like sample a lemon ginger tea. We're just gonna go down and let's see where we can. So let's join the discussion. Now we're gonna write. Let's find out her name first. So Lauren. We're gonna say in the comment, "Hey Lauren, I read the article about the recipes." I think I spelled that wrong. But about the recipes for detox, and I really like the lemon ginger tea. I really want to try it out. And then you're just gonna give your opinion or give some value, and then at the end you want to say like but when I got started doing tea detox, I found this product online that gives the best recipes for tea detox. It's an African secret. And then you're gonna paste your link. If you want to check it out, go here. Oh no, not that one. Just gonna copy this, copy, and then we're gonna paste it here. Now you just put your name, your email address, and do that code and post a comment. And then you go do this for like 5 to 10 blogs a day. And eventually, if you give a lot of value to people in those comments, they're gonna start clicking your link, and actually some of them might buy the product, and some of them will buy the product because you're giving value to them, and they know you, like, and trust you because you're giving value. Now, how do you find the blogs? Well, you can't just go to any blog because some of them are old and some of them people aren't even looking at. So what you're gonna do is go to Google Alerts. Just search Google Alerts, and then it's gonna bring you here. So what you're gonna do is create an alert. We're gonna do T detox blogs, or actually we're gonna do T detox, and then show options. How often? At once a day. And then automatic. Oh no, we're gonna do blogs because we wanna post comments in those blogs. And then in any region, we're gonna do United States. Doesn't matter if you can do whatever you want. And then you're gonna put your email address. And then what Google is gonna do is every time someone posts a blog about tea detox, Google's gonna send you an email into your email address, which is gonna tell you like, hey, this is a new blog about tea detox, go check it out. And what you're gonna do is the same thing I told you before. You're gonna go to the new blog, post a comment on there, read the blog, post a comment about it, give your opinion, share some value, and then at the end you want to be like, hey, I found this product. If you want to take a shortcut, or if you want to lose weight faster, go to this link, check it out, buy it if you want. Don't say buy it because that's yeah, it'll feel like you're selling to them. Just be nice about it. Be like, I recommend this product, and do that for every alert you get. So once you do that, it's gonna start compounding, and more people are gonna buy from you. Now, if you learned anything from this, guys, smash that subscribers button, like and comment in this video what you think about it. And if you want to take a shortcut to success, click the link in the description where it's going to take you to a page that's going to show you how you can start generating money in the next week. So, see you next time, guys.